Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to solve one question, which is this: find HCF and LCM of the following pairs of integers by prime factorization method. Verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers 77 979. For all students of my school, you can see exercise 1C, question number 5, Roman 3. The question is: find HCF and LCM of following pairs of integers by prime factorization method. Verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers 77 and 979. So they have given the two numbers. First of all, we have to find HCF and LCM by the method, prime factorization method, and also verify after finding the LCM and HCF we have to multiply, then also we have to multiply the given two numbers. So the numbers are given 77 and 979. So start the solution like that. First of all, what we have to do, we have to find the prime factors. So choose the number. First number is 77. So 77 is very easy. 7 into 11. 7 11s are 77. It's finished. No need to go next step, because 11 itself, it is a prime number. Also another one number is given 979. So 979, we can, since we have start here 7 and 11, there are two factors from the first number, so we can choose here 11. Let us try with this 11. So 11 into 8, how much? 88. 11 into 8 equal to how much? 88. From 97, 88 you have to do minus. So after subtraction, how much is remain? From 88, 97, if you do minus, remain here 9. 9 and 9, how much? 99. So 11 into 9 is equal to 99. So 11 into 9 equal to 99. So now we got how much here? 89. So can we divide this 89 by any number? We can divide this 89 by only 89. So this is also a prime number and it is divisible by itself only. So no need to go for the next step. So very easily we can see what? 77 equal to 7 into 11 and 979 equal to 11 into 89. So from there, what we can see? We can see from the 77, 11 is here, is a prime factor. And from the 979, we can see here also 11. So this 11 and this 11 is common in case of both the numbers. So therefore we can write HCF of 77, 979 is equal to how much? We can write, since this is common in case of both the numbers 77 and 979, so we can take this 11 will be the HCF. Also LCM is equal to first of all, what is the process we have learned from the last class? First of all, we have choose the common one. So 11. Since here is 11 is only single time, here also 11 is only single time, so 11 will be the first one. After 11, we have to see the, after 11 is finished, so what is remain here? 7. So we will choose 7, this 7. So 7. Then what is remain here? 89 is remain. This is, so we have to choose 89 also. then we have to multiply it. 7 into 11 into 89. 7 into 11 into 89. So if you multiply this, 7 into 11, 7 into 11 very easy. 7 into 7, there will be 77, and we have to multiply 11 into 7, 77, and 89 is 89. So 89 into 77, we have to do it like that. So 7 into 9, 63, for 3 remains 6. 7 into 8, how much? 56 plus 6, how much? 62. Again we have to multiply by 7, so it will be same only. 6, 2, 3. So 3, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 6 plus 2, 8, and 6. It means 6, 8, 5, 3. After multiplication, we got 6, 8, 5, 3. So this 6, 8, 5, 3 will be the LCM. So according to the first part of the question, we need to find out HCF and LCM. So we got the HCF is this, and we got the LCM is this, 6, 8, 5, 3. It means the solution of the first part we already find out. Now according to the second part of the question, they said verify that LCM into HCF, verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So before equal symbol, LCM into HCF we have to find first, and after equal symbol, product of the two numbers we have to find again. So we can write LCM. We can write left hand side, it means LHS. LHS, it means left hand side. What is left hand side? Before equal symbol, what is given we have to write. So what is given? LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF. This is equal to, what is LCM? LCM is 6853. 6853 into, what is HCF? 11. So 11. So we have to do now multiplication. So if you do the multiplication, 6853 into 11. So 6853 again 6853, because we are multiplying by 1 again. So 3 is 3, 5 plus 3 8. So 8 plus 5 13, for 3 remain how much? 1. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. 14 plus 1 15, for 5 remain 1. 6 plus 1 7. It means 7 5 3 8 3. 7 5 3 8 3. 7 5 3 8 3. We got it like that. It means we got the left hand side, it means this part, LCM into HCF. Also we have to find what? Product of two numbers. Then we have to see both the result is same or not. So we can write here right hand side equal to product of two, right hand side equal to product of two numbers. Right hand side equal to product of two numbers. It means after equal symbol, what is this? Product of two numbers. So that's why we have written right hand side equal to product of two numbers. So we will now multiply product of the given two numbers. What is given there? Two numbers, 77 and 979. So we have to multiply both these two. So 77 into 979. So let us try to multiply it like that. 979 into 77. So how can we multiply? 7 into 9, 63 for 3. Remain how much? 6. 7 into 7, 49 plus 6, 55 for 5. Remain 5. 7 into 9, 63 plus 5, 68. So since we have to multiply again by 7, so it will be same only. 6, 8, 5, 3. 3 is 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13 for 3, remain 1. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15 for 5, remain 1. 6 plus 1, 7. It means how much we got? 7, 5, 3, 8, 3. 7, 5, 3, 8, 3. So what we can see now? We can see from the left hand side part, LCM into HCF, we got 75383. From the right hand side, product of two numbers, we got 77 into 979 is equal to 75383. It means we got this part and this part is same. So this part was left hand side and this part is right hand side. So we can write what? Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. And at last we can write verified. Or if you don't write like that also, this part if you don't write also, no problem, you can write hence verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. If you don't write this part, then you can write it like that, hence verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So thank you all of you. I hope you can understand very nicely.